never done an internship at a museum. I love museums, but I've never been able to see be backstage. I'm very excited. I'm expecting to learn a lot about how museums are curated, and I'd also like to learn actually the craftsmanship that's behind curating at a museum. Like, how do I have to deal with the objectives, and how do I touch them also, very basically hands-on.
Welcome here at the BELvue Museum. This is the heart of the center, because maybe downstairs is the brain, but this is the heart, because we are welcoming all the people over here. Can I ask you where you're from for the statistics?
United States.
Okay, so this one, and then normal. Yes, it's 20 euros.
It's so exciting for us to have Nela here in the museum, because I think in a way what we try and do with our public, trying to make them aware, to make them understand different aspects of society like democracy and pluralism and solidarity and so on, we give them tools and ways to understand this and to reflect on it.
So today you will see the workshop Reporters of Democracy. It's where they prepare questions for a deputy of the parliament, and then after they go visit the parliament and they can ask their questions to the deputies.
Have you been politically active? Do you want to become politicians maybe?
No.
No. Actually, I also never said no. Not heavy. Should I take
it by the frame?
Okay, like that.
Like that.
Okay.
Okay, now we have to check the painting to make sure everything is okay. And so can you put on some gloves?
Yeah.
Because maybe you have dust or something on your hand, so it's to protect the painting. Because this one received a restoration before the exhibition, so it's kind of brand new now. So we're gonna check. So this is Louise.
You see these?
Yeah, sometimes you see it by going on the side, with the light like this.
With NEMO, we try to help politicians understand what museums are really about beyond exhibition walls, and with providing them with a hands-on experience, we want to help them understand what it's like to take care of museums and the cultural heritage of Europe every day, and how museums use it to help people connect and understand and learn from the past for the future and the present.
Nela, I want to present you Annie.
Nice.
Enchanté.
Oui.
Annie Uzé. She's working here voluntarily. She has more than 20 years experience here in the BELvue Museum. She's like our collective memory of all the collection pieces. And here we are in a very prestigious room with all the uniforms of Belgian kings and queens.
Wow.
My favorite costume is this. Voilà. You must think the King Albert I, a big coat.
Yeah.
And this is
the original. Wow. One thing I learned today is that there was actually very few people, not a small team, doing this all. There's not a lot of manpower behind such a museum, so this means you actually need the funding for museums to keep them alive. This is something I'm taking with me into my political life. Thank you so much for having me today.
Thank you so much for making so much time.
It was absolutely fascinating.